right before the storm because it's supposed to hit tomorrow and it's bright and sunny. So this is the calm before the storm. It's my white friend who got me out here. It's this one. This white friend right here got me at the beach before the freaking hurricane, y'all.
What's up?
So we leaving the beach, y'all, because we was attacked by birds. Surfing. So this our drink.
Go on the kids menu.
What is it that you want to try? So I can get it. You want to try this?
What's everything? That's everything.
You want more?
It's like a sweet and tangy sauce.
Oh, a picture. No, ¿puedes poner la foto todo? Aquí está.
When you have a teenager, you have to start driving lessons.
I don't want to use no gas. This is not Auntie Sandra car. And Auntie Sandra car,
No, do it.
And Auntie Sandra car, she be going like,
You be driving in there. She there. We finna ask her to borrow this to go around the corner.
exactly.
It don't matter. You supposed to be able to.
But you, yeah.
Any car.
But I ain't gonna lie. When I started, I wanted to start
Yeah, you are.
in small cars.
There's a line right there.
Keep going.
Keep going. Okay.
Right here.
No, a little bit more. You have to go to where you can see.
So you can see if the car's coming.
You doing good.
Oh, hold on.
Don't get
Running
too
the
fast.
gear. Hold on, slow down. Okay. You gotta make sure you put it on the D, not all the way down. If you put it on down, you're gonna burn it. Because you're gonna put it at shift.
Why does the thing keep going like that?
We ride, we bumping like we bumping. We on a driving lesson. Driving lesson. You got the auntie in the back. And the daddy. And we're gonna turn up here.
Yeah. Auntie Sandra take me just so. Y'all stop too early this time? You can move up a little.
You stopped a little too early. See, that's why that car went around.
Wait, it's okay.
Which way?
I told Shay to put her.
The where he just turned.
Wait, watch out for the vehicle coming up.
Go up and look.
I don't go up and look.
Zach, go up and
Yeah,
look.
why you way back here?
You too far back. When we tell you to slow down, just take your feet off the gas.
How do I wait, don't turn your
Don't
legs.
turn. Just start turning. You have your turning signal on so you know you're turning?
Yeah.
Remember the emergency lights.
Oh yeah, well, don't worry about it.
But she can still.
Yeah.
learn
Okay,
how to
go.
take
Learn the
her.
process.
We on a driving lesson. Driving lesson. You got the auntie in the back. And the daddy. And we're gonna turn up here.
Yeah. Auntie Sandra take me just so. Y'all stop too early this time? You can move up a little.
You stopped a little too early. See, that's why that car went
Wait,
around.
it's okay.
Which way?
I told Shay to put her.
The where he just turned.
Wait, watch out for the vehicle coming up.
Go up and look.
I don't go up and look.
Zach, go up and
Yeah,
look.
why you way back here?
You too far back. When we tell you to slow down, just take your feet off the gas.
How do I wait, don't turn your
Don't
legs.
turn. Just start turning. You have your turning signal on so you know you're turning?
Yeah.
Remember the emergency lights.
Oh yeah, well, don't worry about it.
But she can still.
Yeah.
learn
Okay,
how
go.
to take
Learn the
her.
process.
Mhm.
Turn.
Hold
Hard
on
turn.
and out.
There you go.
Oh my God.
Just pay attention to the road, baby.
Yeah. Don't be afraid to press the brakes when you have to. But what we're saying is when you slow it down to turn,
Don't get too close to the
yeah. See,
Good job, baby.
We're gonna stop completely at the stop sign. You can, all right. You can start taking your foot off the gas.
That nigga with an Audi, he
on the
live right
brake.
there. He live right there by
A little bit more. Give it.
I know what the
come
fuck.
on.
Remember, you gotta go up.
to the. You have to go up to the line.
So you can see how. So you can see your car.
You don't want the car to jerk when you push it.
The girl doing good. Her driving. We're on the straight road. Going to grandma's house. Y'all proud?
You don't want to stay too stiff.
Good job.
What you doing, good?
In the hill. Now we got the 13-year-old driving. Lord Jesus. Help us. Go, Zizi. Good girl.
Just know when you get up there, you're gonna have to turn. Like you're going to Jeremy house, so get your turn the signal.
baby.
Wait. Go this way. Oh, see, that's why.
Don't look.
Look down.
Don't.